Our faux watercolor technique lets you get the fun artistic look of watercolor without using watercolor paint. For this method, we need water, some large detail brushes, a paper towel, and any kind of water-based paint. In this case, I am using some of the paints we sell on our website. Start by adding a little bit of paint to your tray. Dip your detail brush into the water and start to mix small amounts of your paint with water. Make sure to leave some unmixed. When using 2 or more colors, you can use the same brush for a more blended look. If you get too much paint on your brush, you can wipe it off on a paper towel, or if you want your colors to stay more separated, you can use multiple brushes. Once you have some watered down paint, start to apply your paint to your piece with the brush. As you work, you can get more variation in your colors by adding more or less water. There's no perfect way to do this method, just keep playing around with it and have fun. When creating a gradient, I like to put down my lighter color first, then add my darker color, then use a wet brush to blend the two together. You can also blend some of the paint together on your tray. To create a cloudy effect, puddle some water onto the piece with your brush, then get a little bit of watered down paint on your brush and dip it into the puddle, letting the water move around the color. While you can get some really fun blends and gradients with multiple colors, you can also get a beautiful look with just one color. Just play with different amounts of water and paint to get that depth and dimension. Keep in mind that this method does take longer to dry because of the added water. You can speed up the process with a heat gun, just make sure you wait until any deep puddles have soaked in so that the heat gun doesn't blow around the water and color. Once the piece is dry, I recommend giving it a light smoothing sand using a sanding block flat against the top of the piece. This will help further blend the colors and make it feel smoother. We love the soft look this method can give you. These 2 kits use the same colors, but the cornucopia uses the watercolor method while the floral uses the normal painting method. No 2 pieces will end up exactly the same with this method, but that's part of what makes it so pretty. We love the unique look that this method can add to your pocket frame kits. For more ideas on how to finish your pieces, check out our other technique videos on the Learn and Create page of our website.